Papa, why do you keep investing in stock market?
Here are the top 4 reasons for me to invest into the equity markets as asked by you, Amira. Welcome back to another episode of School of Thought. I was just sitting around looking at the markets, doing some research, working from home that day. She comes to me and asks, why do you keep investing into the stock markets? A very cute question, but a very valid question from her, right? So here are my top 4 reasons where I love investing into stock markets. Number 1, I can use my brain and analyze as much as I want. I have all the data available. I have the financial data. I have the technical data. I have the shareholders data. I have the future projects of a company. I have everything that I can look at, use my analysis to make money for myself. That's the best part about stock markets. That's the number 1 part where, I find analyzing stocks, I find analyzing mutual funds, analyzing, the entry points and exit points a lot. And that's why I invest into the stock markets. Number 2, it is by far the most liquid asset there is in terms of liquidity. Whenever I need my money back, so I'll get the money back in my bank account in 2 days. That's about it. Of course, there is always a risk attached to it that, whenever I need the money, I might end up making a loss at that point of time because the markets might be down. But that's where my goal planning helps me a lot. So I love the liquidity. Let's say somebody has a 1 crore portfolio. If he has to take out 2 lakhs out of it, he just has to take 2 lakhs, does not have to sell off the entire asset. As compared to if I need 2 lakhs, I have to sell off the entire real estate property to get that 2 lakhs, right? So that's the number 2 reason. Number 3, it's the most tax efficient asset class there is in India. It is still the minimum taxed. Long-term tax is 10%. After 1 lakh of profits, you can keep on harvesting. You can keep on taking 1 lakh every year tax-free. Above that, you're taxed 10%. And even in short term, it's just about 15%, right? So the most tax efficient asset which is there, if I compare it to different asset classes, probably one of the most tax efficient. So I love the taxation for equity markets. And 4th, this is a simple one, I love the returns. The returns you can generate just using your brain and being calm and composed in times of panic, just being patient for a longer duration. You just have to be patient for 10, 15 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Do the analysis correct in those 10, 15 years, you will make money, right? And when you make money, when you take out your profits, it's the most tax efficient. You pay the minimum tax and the money comes in your bank account in 2 days, to sum it up in one sentence. So that's my top 4 reasons for investing into the equity markets. Before you go, tell me anything in the comment that you love investing into, be it any asset class, which is the best asset class you like to invest into, and what is the best part of investing into that asset class. Would love to hear that from you. So keep showing the love that you have always shown us. This is me signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Adios.